Nagbabalik ang ating programa dito pa rin sa EuroTV Philippines sa Pinoy Extreme Channel. Ngayong araw ay kikilalanin natin ang mga teen star guests for this week.
Kahit ako ay excited na rin makasama siya na si Zach and Inigo.
Bago tayo magsimula, maaari ba kayo bumati sa ating mga nanonood sa atin mula Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao?
Hello po mga Teen Barkada. Ako po si Zachary Calaveria. I'm 13 years old and I hope you have an amazing day.
Hi, Katin Barkada! Hi, my name is Inigo Fernando J. the Fourth. I'm 9 years old and nice meeting you guys.
Zach, paano nagsimula ang pagkahilig mo sa video games?
That's a great question. Nagkahilig ako sa video games dahil sa mga cousin ko from a young age. The first game they introduced to me was Minecraft. And when we were playing Minecraft together, I had so many fun memories, especially because I was with family and we had such a great time playing Minecraft. And also, Minecraft is a very educational game. You can learn a lot of things from it, and overall, I had so much great memories with them. That's all.
How old are you when you started dancing?
Me? I was maybe 5 years old. When I started dancing, I was really young because that was really my talent and my hobby. And that's all.
Like, who's your inspiration for dancing?
Dancing was my talent, and I learned dancing, and my dad is a really good dancer, so sometimes I learn dances from him. So that's that.
Ano naman ang nagpurpursue sa'yo sa pag-awit?
To sing, I didn't really have an interest to singing, but eventually when I went to MKF, that interest grew and I learned a lot of things. And I learned that singing isn't just for contests and stuff. I believe that singing is a life skill. You can use singing in a lot of stuff, and I'm grateful to learn singing.
Inigo, what do you do besides dancing?
I do video games, same as Quizak, and my favorite games are probably Roblox and Call of Duty. And another talent of mine is I'm kind of good of singing, and I was singing at a really young age, like my dancing, and I just really like to sing, but I'm not really good at singing.
Can you show us a sample of your dancing skills, one time?
Yeah, sure.
I am not trying to do this.
When I dance, they call me Macarena. And the boys, they say que soy buena. They all want me, they can't have me. So they all come and dance beside me. Move with me, chant with me. And if you're good, I'll take you home with me.
Dala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, que tu cuerpo es para dar la alegría y cosas buenas. Dala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, Macarena. Dala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, que tu cuerpo es para dar la alegría y cosas buenas. Dala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, Macarena.
Met her in Tour, got my boyfriend. The boy, his name was Ricardo.
Hindi man araw-araw na huli palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo sa pagdating ng ating pilak at ginto diamante may abutin ikaw pa rin aking bituin natatangin kung dalangin kang sa uling sigla pipiliin ko maging sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo mahal sa huli palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo ulit-ulitin man nais kong malaman mo iyo ko palagi.
Tunay na napakahusay ng ating mga teen barkada guest na si Zach at Inigo. Pero meron ka ba gustong pasalamatan at patiin or i-promote iyong upcoming events or inyong social media accounts? Inigo.
My Facebook account is Inigo Di Chinito. If you want to follow me there. You can also see my dances in my profile. I got so much posts in there. So if you wanna see my dances, check it on my profile.
Hello everyone, please follow all of my socials named Zach Haberia on Facebook. You can search Zach Haberia and you'll see me. Please follow me and stay tuned for what I post.
Pero sa ating pagbabalik ay panibagong palaro ng bayan na naman ang ating gagawin sa ating Teen Star Pinoy Fest. Sa pagbabalik yan ng inyong programa, dito ikaw ang star ang Teen Star Season 1!